A quick look at the greenhouse. Got a lot to harvest today. As you can see, there's a couple of fruits. Oh, that looks like one of the first blushing tomatoes. Still don't have a lot. Oh, I see another one down there. Let's see if we can zoom in a little. Oh yeah, there we go. See if there's a bite out of the underside of it. It's kind of low to the ground. Got a lot of little guys showing up on here. These leaves are looking pretty damaged, but we're still getting some decent cucumbers. Tomatoes are taking over. Clear up to the top. Plenty to harvest again this week. Even bigger ones back here. These are all cherry tomatoes. Plenty more cucumbers. These potatoes still seem to be doing great. Oh yeah, look at the tomatoes sprawling all over the place. Let's see if I can get through here. Ah! Here's the seed pods. We're gonna have so many seeds, don't know what to do with them. Ooh. Flowering lettuce. More tomatoes. Here's the mustard. Here's where I've harvested. A lot to take today. If I let them dry out too much, they'll just drop. But that's about everything, guys. Thanks for watching.